In this lesson, we will discuss string operations. So first of all, you have to import numpy as np. I am going to execute it and it is executed successfully. Now here I have made two variables. The name of one variable is string 1 and second is string 2. It is initialized by we are learning Python and string 2 is from Sima Academy, right? So here see these are the strings. That is why I have used quotation. You have to use double quotation or single quotation. Here if I want to add these two strings, so you have to use np.char.add and in parentheses write down the name of the variables. When I will execute it, you will see the output. We are learning NumPy from Sima Academy. But here you have noticed that after this quotation, I have given one space. Why? Because if I will not provide this space, then this numpy and from will be joined. There will be no gap between these two words, right? So for example, I have made another two strings, string 3 and 4. These are my variables name, and here it is assigned Python is easy to learn in capital letters and 4 is in small letters. If I want to join, same thing, np.char.add. When I will execute it, so see, you can see here that there is no space between learn and good. That is why you have to provide one space here. Right now you can read very easily. But see here that is string 3, all the letters are capital. Here all the letters are small. If you want to convert all these capital letters into lowercase, yes, you can do np.char.lower and in parentheses write down whatever name you want to give to your to the string. So I said string 3 should be lowercase, so Python is easy to learn. Same thing, this is in lowercase. If you want to convert in uppercase, now np.char.upper. In here you have to provide the name of the variable string 4 executed and see, good job, now you have in the capital letters. If you want to bring your string 1, whatever, string 2 or 3 or 4, whatever, but here I am going to show you with the string 1, and string 1 is we are learning Python. If you want to bring in the center, so np.char.center function you have to use, and here I have mentioned one more parameter 70. You can write down 100, 80, 60, whatever you want. I will run and I will show you what is the meaning of this 70. See, it is executed. Your our string 1, we are learning Python in the center. From this quotation until this quotation, there is a room of 70 characters, and this one is in the center. If you want to make it 50, I will show you, right? It is not necessary that you have to write down 70 here. Now from here to here there are room of 50 characters, so we are learning numpy is in the center. Now you can see we have some blank space here, some blank space here. If you want to fill this blank space, yes, you can do. So what you have to do, exactly from here to here you have to write down the same syntax. I am going to make it 70 again because here is 70 executed, and after this you have to use fill char is equal to whatever symbol you want, but you have to use the quotation. When I will execute it, you will see this blank space is filled with the asterisk symbol. Right, how easy it is. Now is the split function. What is split function does for us? np.char.split, and same string 1, and string 1 is we are learning Python. When I will execute it, you will see now it is splitted into 4 different letters. This is V is separate, R is separate, learning is separate, and numpy is separate. So split function splits all the words in separately. So here is the split lines. So what is the difference between a split lines function and a split function? In a split lines, I wrote 3 sentences here. Hi, then backslash n, we are learning Python, backslash n. It is very easy. When I will execute it, it will see separate all these lines. Hi, we are learning Python. it is very easy. So this is the difference between split and split lines. Now is the join function, which is also very easy. Here I have made two variable x and y, and I said x is equal to ymd, means year, month and date. Here I said month, date and year. If you want to join two variables, then you have to use these kind of syntax. Here see, in a square bracket I said the first this my string should be separated by backslash. It's up to you, whatever you want. And the second should be separated by colon. X and y, put whatever variable you want to give here, execute it, and see x variable is separated by backslash and y variable is separated by colon. How easy it is. Now is the replace function. So we are going to, first I will show you, because we are working on a string 3 now, and when I will execute it, string 3 is Python is easy to learn. Now I want to convert this Python, right? I want NumPy is easy to learn. So how, what syntax you have to use here? np.char.replace. Here you have to use the replace function. We are going to apply replace function on a string 3. That is why you have to provide here. And then is Python. This is the word Python. It should replace by NumPy. When I will execute it, you will see NumPy is easy to learn. But keep in mind that these are case sensitive, because Python was capital in string 3. That is why I wrote capital. If by mistake, suppose if I make y small, when I will execute it, you will see this function, this replace function will not work, and the output is Python is easy to learn. So make sure that it is case sensitive. So Python and then NumPy. Here is the equal function. Now what equal function does? The same variable which I showed you, x is ymd, year, month and date, and y is month, date and year. If I want to check whether these two variables are equal or not, but these are not equal. See, this is year is first and here month is first. So when I will execute it, it will give you the answer false and true. True means yes, they are equal. False means no, these are not equal, but this is false. Here I have made two more variables, a and b, but both are exactly same. If I will apply the same equal function here, a and b, you will see the output will be true, because both are same. And then is the count function. If you want to count t in this a, see, np.char.count in a is, this is the name of our variable, how many times t comes, so you can check and execute it. It is 1. See, every letter is 1 here. Whatever you want is 1, so it is 1. Right now is the find. This is very interesting. Find in variable a letter p. Right, when I will execute it, so the output should be 0. What is the meaning of this 0 here? Right, it should be true or false, but it says 0. Find, keep in mind, find, if you want to find out some particular letter, it will give you the index of that letter. So p, the index of p is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to find out n, it will give you 5. So find function will return the output in the form of index. If I will say y, so what do you think? 1, 2? No, index starts from 0, 0, 1. When I will execute it, it is 0, it is 1. But when, suppose if I will say m is not in the Python, so you will get -1. -1 does not mean that it is starting from right to left. It means that letter is not there, right? If I want to check t, yes, you can 0, 1, 2. So find function will give us the output in the form of index. Now if you want to check is alpha p, so it will give you true. Yes, capital P is there again, right? If I will write down a small p and execute it, so it is again true, because this is the is alpha is there. But if it is, I am using is lower or is upper, it is case sensitive. I say is lower is there in Python. When I will execute it, it says true. But if I will make it capital, it will give you false, because we have a small y there. Similarly, is upper, right? Y is upper, so no, it is false, right? Because we have lowercase. If I see p, P is capital in Python. So you will see the output is true. So you can use is upper, false, right? Is alpha. You can play with it. I hope string operations, this lesson is clear to you. Please practice it. See you in the next lesson and thank you.